In this video, we will see how to scan into and out of the send to outside service operation. We're continuing to work with sample customer sample fabricated part. We see here that the send to outside service has not yet been completed. And so when we see our work order for 1-1, we see here is a barcode for send to outside service. So the person in shipping would come to the work order or with the work order. They will use this barcode to scan in and out of. So here in FloorVisio, scan into a work order. And right here, they will scan this barcode for send to outside service. And we can see that now they have been clocked in. Now when we go to ship these parts, the physical parts will be packaged into a box, and then the purchase order would be used for the packing slip on the outside of the box. And so once the box has been packaged and once the box is ready to go to the outside service vendor, you would come back to the work order and scan again the barcode into the clocking in, scanning into a work order. So scan the barcode on the work order. And so we'll scan here. It'll ask for our employee badge. And then how many parts did we send? Did we send the 100 pieces or more? And we will clock out. Now when we go and look at the part, we'll see that send to outside service is complete. Now an important thing to add when shipping parts to an outside service vendor is the shipping department would want to come back to the work order. And this area here for scan barcode on work order, they will scan this barcode. See how it's used for shipping? And so when they scan this barcode, it will give them the operation or the ability to add tracking to an outside service. So by clicking on this, then it asks to scan the barcode on the work order, and they would scan the barcode for the outside service of the work order. And so we see here is the material requirement for the send to outside service. And so this barcode is what we're wanting to add tracking to, this purchase for this material requirement. And so over here, on the outside service tracking, we'll scan that barcode. And we'll see that it's asking us which vendor we used. And then you can scan the FedEx or the UPS label, or you could type in your own shipping. See, the tracking has been added to order 411. Now if we go back to our part and we edit the order, we will see that on the outside service. Here's the requirement for the outside service for the powder paint black. We scroll down and we can see that the tracking was added to the work order. And that's how to sign through or clock in and out of the send to outside service so that it is now complete on this part.